Hey everyone, in this video I'm just gonna do a quick overview of Yahoo Finance, how to use Yahoo Finance. So this is just a demo using Plotly and Yahoo Finance. But we're not gonna build this app. We're gonna start with Yahoo Finance, how to use Yahoo Finance for today. So let's get started. So here is what I want to cover for today. I want to focus on the Yahoo Finance Python. So if you are running this on other notebooks or Visual Studio or PyCharm uh, or your environment, you need to install Yahoo Finance. I think Google Colabs already come pre-installed, but anyway, just run it. Yes, it's already satisfied. So we can move on. So basically we need to import Yahoo Finance, and then first we want to get stock data from pull the data, and we want to format it for key value pairs and a dictionary for better display. So this is all the available uh, information about this particular stock. So information, basically the address and company officers, and depending on what you want to build, you can dig into this from here. Okay, we're gonna just move on. So if you're not clear, please let me. Oh, I'm not very good at articulating things or explaining things. Oh, okay. So this is how you can get all the information about the stock, and now we want to get the historical data by pulling 1 month of data. So this is how you get the Apple history of metadata. Okay, but we want to format and display better. So we're going to use pandas library. So we need to import pandas. I don't think we need to install pip because Google Colab already come pre-installed. So what we're going to do is same thing that we did. We're going to format history data and history metadata, and then we just going to print it out. So here is the data. You can get dividend, stock splits, and you can change the period here. So let's do 3 months. So this is 3 months of data. Or you can change it to 1 year. Here's a 1 year of data. Okay. Let's go back to 1 month. And also you can just do this without. So I'm show you why you might want to do this. So this basically gives you an option to play with the collab data table. This is pretty cool feature from Google Colab. So here you can learn more about this. Go to Colab Google Notebooks data table, and it will go over all its features. And this is yeah, one pretty cool. So here you can do filter by date and search, so you get the idea. Dividend high to low. Okay, and one more thing you can do is you can have it charted on its own for PDF, probably distributions, time series, and the values. So these come with data table notebook feature from Google Colab. Okay, gonna clear this for now. This is why showing this example. And then here you can limit the data to volume only if you don't want to look at, if you don't need, or for some reason if you just need volume. Here's how you pull the closing data of the volume only, and you can get only the volume from here. And then here, same thing, you can search the volume depending on your need. So also you can do the same thing here, distribution, time series, to spot anomalies, I guess. Okay, and then we're gonna move on to, okay, don't need this. Where were we? The volume. Here we're gonna move on to another one. This is just the same similar example, but only the closing price. If you don't need high, low, open price, say this is how you can get only the closing price, or high or low, whatever that you need to filter out the unnecessary data for your applications. So here is how you can get the earnings date. And it will basically pull EPS estimate, reported estimate, and the surprise percentage. You can do the table format, and same thing, you can search. And also you can do this here. So this is a pretty neat feature from Google Colab. Let's clear this, and also this is how you look up major holders. 0.07% of shares held by insider, 61.3 institutions. So here's institutional holdings, and then we can also look up which institutions. Here, Vanguard has the most shares, and you can filter for up to, let's say, so okay, and then we can also look up mutual fund holders. Same thing, Vanguard. Yeah, so SPY, VOO. So, and another thing is you can look up all options. That will basically bring up all the option expiration dates, upcoming option expiration dates. Yeah, but we can make it JSON format by importing JSON, and then you can just do the JSON dumps. So you can feed it to your database or an app. So here, say we can also take this further by plotting on the chart. So here we can see all the different option expiration dates with the option index. Yep, option index doesn't help much because you know, here this could be a bit misleading because if you don't understand option is a contract that gives the buyer the right but not the obligation to buy and sell an underlying asset at specified price on or before the specified date. So each option is associated with an expiration date. So this is how you can get the retrieves the expiration dates in the plot simply using a range as y-axis. So it doesn't help much, but here's how example how you might want to plot the number of options, both calls and puts for each expiration date. So here now you can see the options by expiration. We can even make it better. So to fetch the detailed options data for Apple, including the strike price, volume, and open interest, we are use the yfinance, the ticker class, and the option chain method. So you can iterate over the expiration date and collect this data for both calls and puts. Here's the script to gather the information. So now we can see the total options volume by the expiration date. So I hope you find this helpful. It's just a quick overview of Yahoo Finance Python package. So if you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching.